So guys, for today's video, I want to make chicken shawarma. So these are all my ingredients for my shawarma for marination. This one, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, black pepper, olive oil, chili powder, and cumin powder, and then the chicken. So this is the chicken. So these are all for inside later for the sandwich, and also the sauce. So I set aside this one first. So first I will cut the chicken and marinate it first. So I will cut this small like this. Guys, I already cut our chicken, so I put here in a bowl for our marination. So this one for marination, olive oil, 1 tablespoon, salt, cinnamon powder, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, chili powder, and cumin powder. So I will put all together and make it marinate. I marinate this one guys for 30 minutes before cooking in our frying pan. When you cook this one, no need to put oil. Just grill a little bit. Just grill in a pan that is Teflon, so it will not sticking. Then I set aside this one guys for marination. So I put cover, set aside. For the sauce, so these are all my ingredients for the sauce: tahina, yogurt, mint powder, dill powder, lemon, garlic, and salt. So now guys, I will make now the sauce. First I will crush the garlic. So I will not put too much garlic because maybe they don't like the smell of the garlic. Little bit only. Then I will put yogurt. I put 3 tablespoons yogurt. One-fourth teaspoon salt. Our tahina, finest tahina. Itong tahina guys, ano to? Yung sesame seeds na ginawa siyang parang peanut butter. Pero sesame seeds ang gamit. Tapos wala siyang asukal. So this is what we call tahina. So there's oil inside, and this is like peanut butter, but this is white because there is no sugar, and this is not cooked also. So I will put 1 tablespoon of tahina. So your yogurt must be more than in amount of than tahina, more than the amount of your tahina. Also add little bit dill powder, little bit only. This is dry dill powder, and the mint powder, so little bit only. And of course our this one, lemon. So I put only 1 piece lemon. So that's it, guys. We have to, these are all my ingredients for a sandwich, so that we have to put stuff inside this Lebanese bread. We have to put the chicken, our marination, and then this tomato, onion, beetroot pickle, this French fries, parsley, and lettuce. So this one, guys, we have to fry this French fries later. Then we have to cook the chicken. Now I will cut
first the onion for our sandwich later. So we have to chop only this onion and also the tomato.
for cooking our foods here, guys, in Middle East. We're not using the vegetable oil or what. This is ghee oil. So I put now. So guys, I will put here in the tissue to drain the oil from it. And then now we have to fry the chicken.
There is little bit oil, this one, but not too much. I put in a low fire here. Cook for 30 minutes. Check our chicken. It still have sauce. It is still have liquid. So we have to finish the liquid. If the liquid is finished and the chicken is already done, so we have to cook more. So we have to put now in the sandwich. For the sandwich, guys, I will use this one, tortilla bread. So if tortilla bread, I will make warm first here. We have to grill little bit the bread so it become more nice, and cook this tortilla bread. Don't make warm. And this one also.
So now, guys, this is for our sandwich. Now these are all my ingredients for sandwich, and this is the sauce that we made. Also, this is the bread I put in cloth because so that it will not become cold, and then this one wrapper. So now I start to make a sandwich. I will use first this tortilla bread. First, you have to put the sauce. And also the chicken, the cooked chicken. So I add more, little bit. So I put 2 tablespoons of chicken. Then onion. This is without tomato. They don't like tomato. So if you want to order your shawarma, guys, if you don't want tomato, you can tell shawarma sandwich without tomato. And then this one, the lettuce, and also the French fries, and some parsley. So that's it, guys. We have to roll on this like this. And your shawarma sandwich is ready. So I make it wrap like this. And one more again for our Lebanese bread. For our Lebanese bread, you have to cut like this. You have to stuff inside. Then again, I will put the sauce. So I think 1 tablespoon sauce I put. Then onion, chicken. So for this time, this is a small 1 1/2 tablespoon of chicken is okay. Lettuce. And the French fries. So if I make the meat, ma'am?
Make already?
I'm making that.
Lebanese bread?
Yeah, Lebanese bread and tortilla.
That is chicken? No meat.
I didn't make meat. Only chicken. You want?
Let me take one for me.
1 chicken? Yeah, there is.
Enough for everybody?
Yeah, for you, for Jawad, and for sir is
What?
chicken palu.
Oh.
This Lebanese.
What do we put in that one?
Ha? So ito na guys ang aking shawarma. So this is the tortilla bread I'm using, and this one Lebanese bread, small. So this one. Thank you for watching, guys. Kung nagustuhan nyo aking video, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button para palagi tayong updated sa ating mga bagong post na video. So more videos to upload. Abangan nyo, guys. Thank you and have a blessed evening, everyone. God bless. Thank you so much to all my viewers and my subscribers, my supporters.